This song right here is called This Is What I Gotta Say. This is what I gotta say. Don't give a fuck any day, 'cause me and my clique, we don't fucking play. This is my life story, and this is what I gotta say. I'm busting the cap like Busta Rhymes. I'm busting these rhymes like it was my nine, and I'm pulling the trigger all the time. If you fuck with me, I'ma have to take your life and your career, 'cause you already know. Take a bitch and have her on her hands and knees sucking my dick slow. Turn the bitch out in the streets, 'cause I don't care. That's how I get my money to eat. 'Cause you bitches already know how I do, 'cause I gotta stay true. This is what I gotta say. Don't give a fuck any day, 'cause me and my clique, we don't fucking play. This is my life story, and this is what I gotta say. You niggas can't hang with me unless you wearing the color blue. If you wanna fuck with me, I end your life. Matter of fact, your ass might die tonight. I'm a true pimp, they call me Ace, and you fuck around, you gonna get mace in the face. I'm from AK, around the way, and bitches know Ace don't play. When I pull my 9mm out, put it to your head, then you'll be turning in your deathbed. 'Cause I'm in the NYC, so let it be known. When I'm in the studio, popping them tones, 'cause you know who I be. I will slap a bitch like Easy E, 'cause Dr. Dre ain't got shit on me. This is what I gotta say. Don't give a fuck any day, 'cause me and my clique, we don't fucking play. This is my life story. This is what I gotta say. Yeah, you can't do it like me. I stay in the streets on every corner selling that shit, making my money. And if a nigga run up, they gonna die, 'cause it's already known I carry a nine. I keep a shotty on my back, 'cause you niggas is right. And you hoes wanna play. I'm like Chucky when it comes to child's play. People say I look like Orton and act like him too. Yeah, I hear voices in my head letting me know what I'm going to do. Yeah, I might be insane, but I done told you that you late to the game. This is what I gotta say. Don't give a fuck any day, 'cause me and my clique, we don't fucking play. This is my life story, and this is what I gotta say. I done said once, you can't step to me, 'cause like John Cena say, I bust your mouth like Colgate and sit there and watch you and believe. 'Cause John Cena ain't got shit on me, 'cause I'm like CM Punk, I got the Carter personality. So I'ma let you know, Cena John Laurinaitis ain't got shit on me. So when I lay you down for the count, 1, 2, 3, there your ass go, you out, 'cause you can't see me. 'Cause I got the bitches on my left and my niggas on the right, 'cause we down to ride tonight, 'cause we riding in the money and we riding in the caddy, 'cause we doing it laddie, smoking on the loud, and we doing it proud, 'cause I'm flipping that shit, making that dough. 'Cause I done said, this is what I gotta say. Don't give a fuck any day, 'cause me and my clique, we don't fucking play. This is my life story, and this is what I gotta say.